Alright, so yeah, I'm down for a nice little one minute everybody seems to be going down here to Atlanta, down Arch Road, but we're gonna keep going. I don't want to go out of my way. To rest. But if there is certainly something on the way. Whew. There's some signage coming up here. There's a water tower in town. I guess, guys, I'll tell you the biggest the biggest pain today is the buttocks. The ass is starting to hurt. So I gotta kind of readjust and gently lift it, slide it, move it around the booty. It's your booty. That's right. It's your booty. See, there's a sign there for Shell for the gas price, so maybe, hopefully, yeah, there is a Shell there. I can see. Oh, right. So, yeah, guys, yeah, there it is. We're gonna stop and rest. Figure out what I can do with this phone. Let Djibouti rest a little bit, and maybe even get something hard to eat and a hot cocoa. So I'd say, guys, 20 to 30 minute, 20 to a 30 minute sag stop here, since we got a lovely shell here. This is beautiful, and hopefully they have a little food mart. Because yeah, guys, yesterday, I kind of, oh, they got a Pizza Hut here. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna eat something that heavy. Well, yeah, yesterday, guys, that shell there was a tiny little thing. And, basically, I kind of wish I had eaten something, because towards the very end of the ride yesterday, guys, my stomach was just squeezing and squeezing, because 9 p.m. I think, or 8 p.m. or something was the last time I ate, right? So yeah, whew. Yeah, they for one, guys. Try to figure out what is happening with this thing, and we might just turn off the phone, let it charge inside for, you know, a good 20 minutes while it's off. We'll figure out where's the cable or what. But anyways, yeah, we got our wallet. Yeah, let's get a hot cocoa going. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Good.
Pretty good, thank you. Hello. Do you guys have like any food that like you can put in the microwave, or only the pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, some ready-made food, yeah. Yeah. Look at these guys. Ooh, they got actually they got pizza that's already made. Huh. We might have to get that. Unless, ooh, they have chili soup. They have chicken noodle. And a little dining area here. Yeah. I already see an outlet. So yeah, guys, let's